let's install the LiteCash wallet. First, open your browser and go to lite-cash.com. For the Windows 10 version, select Windows GUI 64-bit. Click on it, select Save File. Here it will download the file. As you can see, I've already downloaded it. Open the folder, select the file you downloaded, and copy it somewhere on your PC. For me, I copied it straight to the desktop. Right click and select Extract All. Go through the wizard, extract the files. In my case, I used 7-zip, but you can use whichever zip extraction tool you want. Now open the folder that was just created and look for litecashwallet.exe. Double click. Here you will see the initial screen, and in this case we want to create new wallet. Create a new wallet with generating seed phrase. If you ever lose your device, you will need this phrase to recover your wallet. So basically we need to make sure that we copy down the seed phrase and store it in a secure location, preferably not somewheres where anybody else will have access to it, because the seed phrase is what will allow you to restore your wallet and recover your coins if anything happens to your wallet installation. So click generate seed phrase. Now for this example, I am going to take a screenshot. However, it's up to you how you will do it. It may be better to just write them down and store them in a secure location. Now we click next. We see this warning. We click I understand. And now to validate that you have your seed word saved, it will ask you to input specific ones. So you look at the seed phrase you copied down. Number 8. Then we look for number 3, entry, final, define, notable, and almost. Once you've typed them in correctly, the next button will become highlighted. Click next. Now we create a password. I guess we should use something secure. Make sure you type it in the same twice. Click next. Now here we can do any number of things. Run an integrated node. This is actually what's recommended. It will run a node, download the blockchain on your local computer, and will assist in securing the network. You can connect to a specific remote node. We can connect to either explorer.lite-cash.com or CA1, which is another one of our seed nodes. And you can also connect to a random node, so the wallet will go out and try to find an active node and connect to that one and synchronize itself from that. In this case, we're going to run the integrated node. And so this will open your port. So this local node will run on port 10,005. The seed nodes generally run on port 10,000. And here we're going to just use the peer as explorer.lite-cash.com, port 10,000. And this will use this peer to synchronize its local node with the blockchain. So now we click Start Using Your Wallet. And you may see a pop-up like this on Windows. Click Allow Access. And here you can see that we are creating the wallet and it's downloading the blocks. This may take some time depending on your internet connection. So we'll let this run, and once it's synchronized, we'll give you a quick tour of the wallet. All right. Now that the blockchain has been downloaded and everything's synchronized, we have our wallet open. And of course, being that this is a brand new wallet, we have 0 cash in there. So first off, let's send ourselves some LiteCash. So we click receive. And here's the address. This is a temporary address that will expire in 24 hours. And we see here that we can set it for either 24 hours or never. So in this case, we'll leave that as 24 hours. We'll right click, select copy. Now I'm going to go over to my other wallet, and we will send some LiteCash. Send. Now if we go close, here we can see immediately upon clicking send in my other wallet, we're already receiving. And I sent 5. And once the receive is finished, we'll see this status change to received. And on my other wallet, we see a status of sending. There we see a status of received, and in my other wallet the status is sent. So we now have a LiteCash wallet with 5 LiteCash. And if we go to look at some of the other tabs, here you can see your addresses. It creates a default address upon creation of the wallet, which is again valid for 24 hours. If we click on these 2 arrows, we can see our received and transmitted transactions here. Shows the current blockchain height and the last block hash. And of course we have a settings wheel here where we can show, this says remote node, but because we're running in local node mode, this node is that those settings are disabled, and we're running a local node. And it shows the default peers here as well. And you can also add, if you know of someone that's running a node, or there's another node that comes online that the project advertises, you can add it here. You can change your password. So you can also set it to ask password for every sending transaction. And you can also set it so that it'll lock the wallet screen after a certain amount of time. We have some ways here to report a problem. Generally, somebody from the project will ask you to do this if you're having an issue. So a good place to post about your problems is on Telegram. This is some changes here that we do need to make. This domain lite.cash is no longer valid, so we do have an address at support@lite-cash.com. So that will come in a future update where we'll fix that. And you can see here where your wallet folder location is. So if you need to grab your wallet.db file or anything like that, all of the files are located in that folder. All right. So basically that's it. You'll be able to set up your LiteCash wallet and get it going in no time. Thank you very much.